Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. This time, let us have set 2 of the average round for grade 5. In the average round, participants are allowed to use scratch paper. Answers must be written on an answer sheet before the time expires. Before we continue, please subscribe for more Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids videos. Let us begin with question number 1. What is the value of 4 over 3 plus 2/3? Again, what is the value of 4 over 3 plus 2/3? Go. Time is up. The answer is 12 over 11. Next, question number 2. If 4/5 of a tank can be filled in 15 and 1/5 minutes, how long will it take to fill the whole tank? Again, if 4/5 of a tank can be filled in 15 and 1/5 minutes, how long will it take to fill the whole tank? Go. Time is up. Let us see the answer. It's 19 minutes. Question number 3. A cyclist rode 35 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour and another 30 kilometers at 12 kilometers per hour. How long did he take for the whole journey? Again, a cyclist rode 35 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour and another 30 kilometers at 12 kilometers per hour. How long did he take for the whole journey? Go. Time is up. The answer is 6 hours. Question number 4. A smartphone was sold for 9,000 pesos at a profit of 20%. How much was the profit? Again, a smartphone was sold for 9,000 pesos at a profit of 20%. How much was the profit? Go. Time is up. The answer is 1,500 pesos. Last question for this round. If each side of a square is increased by 25%, by how many percent is the area increased? Again, if each side of a square is increased by 25%, by how many percent is the area increased? go. Time is up. The answer is 56 and 1/4%. This time, let us show the solutions to the 30-second questions. Number 1. What is the value of 4 over 3 plus 2/3? To answer this, we resolve first the addition in the denominator. So we have 4 over 3 plus 2/3, that is 3 and 2/3. Changing 3 and 2/3 into an improper fraction, we have 4, that is 3 times 3, 9 plus 2, 11 over 3. The expression is now a quotient between two values, a whole number and a fraction. To do this, we copy the numerator and multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator, that is 3 over 11. Hence, we have 4 times 3 that is equal to 12 over 11. Question number 2. If 4/5 of a tank can be filled in 15 and 1/5 minutes, how long will it take to fill the whole tank? Let n be the time to fill the whole tank. Then we have a direct proportion, that is 4/5 is to 15 and 1/5 equal to 1 is to n. Using the cross product property of proportion, we multiply the means, that is equal to the product of the extremes. So we have 15 and 1/5. Let us change it to improper fraction. 15 times 5 is 75 plus 1. That is 76 over 5 times 1. And it will still be 76 over 5. This is equal to the product of the extremes, which are 4/5 and n. Hence, that is 4n over 5. Multiplying both sides of this resulting equation by 5, we'll get 76 is equal to 4n. Then we divide both sides of this equation by 4. We have n is equal to 19. Hence, the answer is 19 minutes. We can also solve problem number 2 using the bar model. Let this bar represent the tank, and since 4/5 of the tank is filled, we shade 4 parts of this bar. And since this 4/5 of the tank was filled in 15 and 1/5 minutes, then we represent 4 units as equal to 15 and 1/5. Hence, 1 unit will be equal to 15 and 1/5 divided by 4. And that is equal to 15 and 1/5 is 76 over 5 divided by 4. So that will be times reciprocal of 4, and that is 1/4. Hence, we have 76 over 20. So if we are to get the whole tank, that will be 5 units. We'll have 76 over 20 times 5. 5 over 20 is 1/4. So we have 76 over 4, and that is equal to 19. Hence, we have 19 minutes. Question number 3. A cyclist rode 35 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour and another 30 kilometers at 12 kilometers per hour. How long did he take for the whole journey? From the formula, distance is equal to rate times time. D is the distance traveled, R is the rate or the speed, and t is time. We can get the value of time as equal to the distance divided by rate. Hence, the cyclist rode 35 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour, so that will be 35 over 10. That is the time the cyclist traveled for the first time, and then for the second time he traveled 30 kilometers at 12 kilometers per hour, so that will be 30 over 12. Hence we have 35 over 10 is 7 over 2, 30 over 12 is 5 over 2, then we have 12 over 2, that is equal to 6. The total time is 6 hours. Question number 4. A smartphone was sold for 9,000 pesos at a profit of 20%. How much was the profit? Let SP be the selling price, OP be the original price, and P be the profit. We know that the selling price is equal to the original price plus the profit. Selling price is 9,000 pesos. We do not have the original price. And the profit is 20% of the original price, so that will be 0.2 times original price. From here, we have 9,000 is equal to the original price times 1.2. That is 1 plus 0.2. Then, the original price is equal to 9,000 divided by 1.2. And if we divide 9,000 by 1.2, dividing whole number by a decimal, move the decimal point one place to the right and add 0 to the dividend. 90 divided by 12 is 7. That is 7 times 12, 84. Subtracting 90 minus 84 is 6. Bring down 0. 60 divided by 12 is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. 60 minus 60 is 0, so we bring up the remaining two zeros, and the original price is equal to 7,500 pesos. To get the profit, we subtract the selling price minus the original price. That will be 9,000 minus 7,500, and the profit is equal to 1,500 pesos. Question number 5. If each side of a square is increased by 25%, by how many percent is the area increased? We know that for a square, A is equal to S squared. In here, we're looking for the change in area, or the percent change in area if the side is increased by 25%. So let A sub 1 be equal to S squared, and A sub 2 where the side of the square is increased by 25%. So that will be 1.25 of S squared. The change in area will be given by A sub 2 minus A sub 1. Solving for A sub 2, that is 1.25 S squared. 1.25 squared is 1.5625 S squared. So if we subtract 1.5625 S squared minus 1 S squared, that is equal to 0.5625 of the area of the square, that is S squared. Therefore, the area of the square is increased by 0.5625, or in percent, that is equivalent to 56.25% of S squared, or 56 1/4%. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino Kids videos.